Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be making some curry chicken and white rice. So guys, stay tuned, watch my videos, like them and share them. Alright guys, so stay tuned. So guys, today I feel like I'm gonna make some curry chicken. So I'm gonna do some curry chicken, but chicken legs, but I'm gonna chop it up curry. But first, catch my water in it. Then I'm gonna pour some vinegar, wash my chicken. So I'm washing it off in the vinegar. And I'm gonna pour this out, and then after I wash it with the vinegar, I'm gonna wash it again, and then I'm gonna clean it up and then wash it one more time. But I like to wash it with the vinegar and the water to take the rawness. Then I'm gonna clean it up, and then I'm gonna wash it one more time. Okay. All right guys, so I washed the chicken already with the vinegar and the water, and I rinsed it off in some water. So what I'm gonna do now is I am going to clean the chicken up, take all of this stuff off of it. Clean it up, and then after I'm done cleaning it up, then I am going to wash it again before I chop it up, because I gotta clean the chicken up, right? Here we go. All right guys, so I washed the chicken. I'm gonna clean it up, cut off the excess fat, cut off all of this stuff off it, like this little yellow part. You're gonna cut that yellow part off of the chicken, clean it off. And then after you're done, you're gonna chop it in two. Just chop it like that, and then put it over there, and then we keep chopping them up. Keep cleaning it up, right? Gotta clean the chicken up, all those excess fat and this yellow thing. Remember, you gotta cut that off, because you don't want to cook that in the pot, right? There we go. And then we're gonna chop the chicken leg. Oh, here's a little piece sleeve, and then we're gonna chop the chicken leg like that. And there you go. So guys, I'm almost done cleaning it up. Gotta take off all those excess fat, and then cut the yellow thing off the end. You're gonna chop it in maybe 2 pieces, but I'm just gonna chop mine in 2 pieces. That's it. And then we have one more piece to go. So we're gonna clean it all up. And then this one don't have it, and then we cut the yellow thing off the end. And we're gonna cut this. So guys, we're done cutting this up now. So I'm gonna put it back in the pot and rewash it again with some fresh water, because I'd washed it before with water and vinegar and then water. So now I'm gonna rinse it off again. I put it in the pot, guys. It's done, so I'm gonna put it in the pot now. Oh, this one didn't come out properly. I'm gonna wash it, clean it off, and then I'm gonna wash it again, and I'm gonna wash it with some more vinegar. Share the vinegar, right? All right, guys. So I'm gonna wash it one more time with this vinegar, because I chopped them in two. Okay. All right, guys, so now I'm done cleaning up the chicken. I'm gonna set it aside right over there on the stove, and then all the stuff that I have on the meat board, I'm gonna put it in the trash, and then I'm gonna clean the meat board up. So now, guys, I'm gonna wash the meat board, right? So I'm gonna catch the water in here. Catch the water in here. And then I'm gonna add some liquid soap, some dish soap, and then I'm gonna put some bleach in the water. And then I'm gonna wash the knife. And I'm gonna wash the meat board. See, let me show you guys. I'm gonna wash my meat board. So I'm gonna wash down my meat board with the soap and the bleach. And then I'm gonna dry it with some paper towel. Grab some paper towel. Alright, and I'm gonna dry my meat board off because I'm gonna use the same board to chop my my seasoning to make the chicken. Alright, so I wash my board. Wash the other part of it. So guys, I washed the meat board before I use anything else on it because I was chopping the chicken, and you don't want to get salmonella or what you call it. So my meat board is washed and dried. I'm gonna clean the cupboard, and then I'm gonna chop some of it to season up. Alright, so I'm gonna clean off the cupboard. Clean the cupboard off. Wipe off some of the excess with this. Trash. Cupboard properly first. All right. Okay, now I'm gonna put back the cutting board right here. So guys, now the cutting board is nice and clean to cut your vegetables, to cut your seasoning, to season the chicken, because we're doing curry chicken. Okay, all right. So we're gonna use some garlic, some scallions, some ginger, some onions, and I think we have some Scotch bonnet pepper, and we have some sweet pepper. So I'm gonna wash my I'm gonna wash everything, guys, and then I'm gonna chop it up. Okay. get to work. So cut this off, cut some of this off, cut it open. Okay, all right. So, put that over in there. Scotch my Scotch bonnet pepper. That's a hot pepper. Ooh. Cut up the onion. Garlic now. Crush the garlic and then chop it up. Okay. Okay. All right, I'm gonna chop up the garlic now. Garlic fine. Let me cut my garlic them big. And then we're gonna do some ginger. So I'm gonna peel the ginger, then cut it up. So I'm gonna peel the ginger. All right, peel off all of the ginger. All right, now we're gonna cut the ginger up. All of the ginger. I like when I cook my chicken, or whenever I'm cooking any meat at all, I love to put ginger in it. Give it a nice flavor. Okay, I'm done. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna add the sweet pepper, the hot pepper, the ginger, the onion, garlic, everything that I chop up. I'm gonna add it to the chicken. Take the board up and just put everything in there. So now that we add everything, then I'm gonna grab the salt. So guys, now I'm adding my seasoning. So I'm gonna add the adobo first. Some adobo in it. I'm not gonna use too much seasoning because I don't like too much seasoning. I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper. I'm gonna add a little salt, not too much because I can't. I'm gonna add some Maggi seasoning. And then I'm gonna add the big bad guy, the curry powder, the Jamaican, it's Jamaican choice curry powder. I'm gonna add some curry powder in it, guys. I like a lot of curry. So now I'm gonna rub everything up. I'm gonna rub everything in. Ooh, curry smells good. Rub it in, massage it in, rub it in. Rub everything in. Rub it in. Gotta massage all those seasons together, all of the seasons, so everything could smell real nice. You smell that, guys? It smells so good. Ooh. Ah, smells good. Dang yeah. There you have it. And curry, so I'm gonna take my gloves off. I'm gonna set it on the stove and cover it and let it marinate, and then later I'll come back and cook it.